Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best microwave toaster oven combos of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best microwave toaster oven combos of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your kitchen with the Panasonic NNSV79MS 1.4 cu.ft Smart Inverter Microwave Oven, designed to bring speed, precision, and convenience to every meal. With 1200 watts of power and genius sensor cooking, this microwave automatically adjusts time and power for perfectly cooked dishes, whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a full meal. Its smart inverter technology ensures even heating, preventing overcooked edges and cold centers while preserving taste and texture. This sleek stainless steel countertop microwave is built for modern kitchens and pairs seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to start, stop, or adjust cooking with simple voice commands. The generous 1.4 cu.ft interior accommodates large plates and family-sized meals, making it perfect for busy households. Easy-to-use controls, multiple presets, and a clean, modern design make cooking effortless and efficient. Elevate your everyday cooking with a microwave that combines power, intelligence, and style. The Panasonic NNSV79MS is the ultimate countertop companion for any home. Number 2. Experience next-level convenience with the Toshiba Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven, designed to elevate everyday cooking. This versatile 1.0 cu.ft appliance combines microwave speed with air frying crispiness, letting you prepare healthier meals with less oil and maximum flavor. With 8 cooking functions, including convection, broil, air fry, microwave, odor removal, and more, you can effortlessly switch between baking, roasting, reheating, and crisping, all in one compact unit. The 12.4 position memory turntable automatically resets to its original placement, ensuring easy access to your dishes every time. Its advanced odor removal mode keeps your kitchen fresh by eliminating lingering smells after cooking. Designed with families in mind, it also features a reliable child lock for safety and peace of mind. Whether you're preparing snacks, full meals, or quick reheats, the Toshiba 8-in-1 Air Fryer Microwave Oven delivers efficiency, versatility, and delicious results, making it an essential upgrade for any modern kitchen. Number 3. Experience unmatched versatility in your kitchen with the BLACK+DECKER 5-in-1 Microwave Oven, designed to handle all your cooking needs in one compact appliance. This innovative 0.9 cu.ft countertop unit combines microwave, air fry, convection, bake, roast, and combi cooking functions, giving you the freedom to prepare everything from crispy snacks to fully cooked meals with ease. Powered by 900 watts, it delivers fast, even heating while maintaining delicious texture and flavor. The built-in air fry technology lets you enjoy healthier fried favorites with little to no oil, while the convection and bake modes ensure perfect browning and consistent results. Its sleek stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, and the intuitive control panel makes operation effortless. Perfect for busy households, dorm rooms, or small kitchens, this multifunctional microwave oven saves space while expanding your cooking possibilities. Number 4. The new Wave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is engineered to deliver faster, crispier, and more consistent cooking results with its improved 100% super convection technology. Designed for ultimate versatility, it offers 100 convenient presets that make it easy to prepare everything from air-fried snacks and roasted meats to baked goods and dehydrated fruits. Its multi-layer cooking capability ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once without flavor transfer. With a wide 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, you have complete control for slow cooking, searing, broiling, and everything in between. The Bravo XL Pro also features intuitive controls, a large cooking capacity, and durable construction, making it ideal for busy families and home chefs alike. Whether you're aiming for healthier meals or faster weeknight dinners, this smart, powerful appliance transforms your kitchen into a high-performance cooking station with ease. Number 5. Upgrade your kitchen with the Chefik MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, the ultimate 11-in-1 countertop appliance designed for modern cooking. This versatile convection oven combines bake, broil, air fry, roast, toast, reheat, dehydrate, proof, warm, slow cook, and bagel functions in one sleek unit, saving counter space without compromising performance. With 1,750 W of power and a 2.5 cu capacity, it heats up quickly and cooks your meals evenly, giving you perfect results every time. The intelligent air frying technology delivers crispy, golden textures with less oil, while the convection feature ensures even baking and roasting. Its intuitive digital controls and built-in smart sensors take the guesswork out of cooking, making it easy to achieve consistent, restaurant-quality results. Compact yet powerful, the Chefik MiniOven is perfect for busy households, small kitchens, or anyone who loves experimenting with new cooking techniques. Make every meal effortless, fast, and delicious.